3, 2, 1, go. Left 5, opens, tightens to 4.5, long. Into right 5, over bridge, into right 3. Left 6, uphill. Long left 5.5, slippy. Left 6, long, uphill. Right 6, 50. Right 5, tightens to a 4. Into left 4.5. Into right 6, 50. Left 5.5, slippy. Left 5, tightens 4.5. Left 6, into right 6, into left 6, into long 6 right. Left 6, into right 5.5, left 4.5, keep in. Right 6, over crest, into left 6, right 6, uphill, crest, then left 6, into right 5.5, into left 6, left 6, into right 6, crest, then left 6, over crest, into right 5, slippy. Long 6 left, uphill. At the top, it tightens to a 5.5. Into right 5. Left 5, slippy. Long left 6, uphill. Tightens to a 5.5 at top. Into a right 4. I repeat, tightens 5.5 at top into a right 4. 50. Right 3. Left 3. Left 6 on crest into right 5. Tightens 2.5. Tightens 2.5. Into right 4.5. Then left 4.5, slippy. Then left 4.5. Opens uphill. Crest, then left 6. Then crest into right 5.5. Tightens into long left 5. Tightens to long left 5. Into right 6. Into left 6, tightens 5. Doing well, mate. Into right 3, keep in. into left 5, long uphill, into right 6. Notes are good, we're past the dodgy area.
Good one.
Left 6 crest, into right 5.5, into left 6 long, then left 6, into crest, then right 5.5 slippy, into caution, left 1 uphill. Left 6, tightens 5.5. Then right 6, long uphill. Go 300. Left 6, caution, right 2.5. I'll repeat for you, left 6, caution, right 2.5. Left 6, left 6, then right 6, keep in, slippy. Into left 6, then crest, into right 6 downhill. Left 4.5, into slippy, long, right 5.5 uphill. This is your 5.5 right uphill, mate. Then left 6, tightens 4.5, 50. Right 6, into left 6, into right 6, keep in, right on left.
Rock on left. Yep.
Rock on left, sorry. Into right 6, 100, caution, crest, 20. 20, right 4.5, 80, right 6, into left 4, don't cut. $150,